Today, I'm taking my Philodo Falcon along historic Route 66 to check out Albuquerque's brand new gateway sign before the Route 66 Centennial celebration. The sign isn't even finished yet, so let's see how it's coming along and what the visitors will experience as they travel through the Duke City. Hello my friends, welcome. Glad to have you with me today. Today I'm going south on Tramway, going towards Central Route 66 and I-40. And I'm gonna go check out a new sign the city put up. The sign is the city's effort to celebrate the historic Route 66 ahead of the 2026 Route 66 Centennial. And I heard the sign was funded through a $328,000 New Mexico Tourist Department grant. So that's a lot of money. You know, I mean, that's like the cost of a house. But anyways, it's going to be right in the middle of Central, still under construction, so it's not even ready yet. So we're going to do a first preview of that sign. And so far I can see it up ahead. It's a beautiful sign. Oh my God, gorgeous sign. I like it. Okay guys, let's take a closer look at the sign. It's got the SIA symbol, some balloons, the downtown skyline, the big towers. It says, "Welcome Albuquerque East Gateway, Route 66." And there's a sunset on the background, man. It's a beautiful sign. Definitely a nice, beautiful sign, guys. And I can't wait to see it when they light it up. You know, it's gonna be like neon lights. Okay, guys, let's look at the back going east on Central. It says, "Come back soon, Albuquerque." And I really like the little road for the base of the sign. That's pretty cool. And then it's got red and blue, so it looks pretty cool. I really like it a lot.
Like the new sign?
Nice. Are you guys doing the neon lights? You guys put
No, they're actually LEDs.
LEDs?
LED rope.
Oh, is it gonna look nice?
It looks like neon though, like Albuquerque.
It does, yeah. Yeah.
The other side's way cooler.
Welcome to Albuquerque. It's on the other side,
Yes,
right?
sir.
And then
It's
they'll go up the road and they'll see all the homeless people on the street.
Right? Yeah, that's what everybody says.
But yeah, it's nice, man. Gosh, beautiful sign.
Yep.
Yeah, I like the little road.
Yeah.
Kind of stuff, the Route 66. Beautiful. I can't wait to see when the lights come on. You know? So you guys are doing a great
B&M's
job.
supposed to bring us power Wednesday.
Oh, really? You guys are doing a great job. That went up quick, huh?
Yeah, you did a pretty good job.
Yeah, you guys did. Looks good. Yeah, good job, guys.
It's a nice bike.
Thanks. Okay, guys, we're gonna go west on Central Route 66, and we're gonna check out and see what the people that are passing through are gonna see. The people that come to check out Route 66. And the first thing, not long after leaving the that sign, construction. So I don't know how long it goes here. That truck is turning, but I'll try to follow it and see how long it goes. Okay guys, I'm on Wyoming and Central going west. I'm gonna have to speed it up or cut it. The construction went on for like a couple of miles. Oh look, there's some people on Wisconsin. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just drive on some side roads right off the Route 66 corridor, just so that you can have an idea what the people that are driving through here are gonna encounter. So we'll go around the block. You're gonna see like a lot of homeless people. That's what they're gonna see. We'll come around and go around Wisconsin and get back to Route 66. Just to give you an idea. Okay, we're in Wisconsin, going north, and then I'll get Central, Route 66, and then continue going west. So to my left, it's going to be McDonald's at the corner of Wyoming and Central. There used to be a lot of homeless people here, but not as many anymore. I think they moved them around. They never get rid of them because they move them around. Okay guys, we're going to turn north on Vermont. There's always a lot of homeless people right off of Route 66. There's always tons of just homeless people gathered here. As you can see, this is the usual amount of people. Sometimes there's more, you can believe that. But, you know, it's a side street right off of Route 66. Okay guys, we're gonna try to get Route 66 and then go west. So to get an idea what people are gonna see. So we're going west. We're gonna turn on Pennsylvania and going north. And then maybe they'll come here and buy a soda here at the Adams Food Market, huh? It'll be a shocker. They can buy a soda and some fentanyl. Okay guys, we're gonna cut on the other side of Central Route 66. We're gonna take the road that's the next block south of Route 66. Not far from Central. So we'll go south of Louisiana, and then the next block is going to be Cochiti, and then we'll go west. Okay guys, we're going west on Cochiti. Always a lot of people here. There's a lot of trash. So we're just one block south of Central Route 66. And sometimes there's more people, sometimes there's less people out on the street. Just give you an idea, I haven't been to the war zone in a while. We call it the war zone. So they'll see that beautiful Route 66 sign, and then before they know it, they'll be like in the war zone. That's what I'm showing you right now. So we're gonna go north on San Pedro, and then we'll go back on Route 66 Central, and then we'll go east for a little bit. I haven't been out here in a while. For those of you that are wondering, I'm riding my Philodo Falcon. I haven't ridden it in a while, so I decided to take it out for a little bit. Coming through, guy. Coming through. Coming through. Jesus. You're not listening. So what they're gonna see is they're gonna see all these businesses boarded up, lots empty, like right here on my right, for homeless people are living. See all these lots fenced in. Indiana, let's go to south of Indiana for a little bit, get an idea. And then we'll go east. We'll try to make our way back to Central, guys. We're just a block away. Okay, guys, we're back on Central, Route 66, going east. Just past Pennsylvania. And we'll go around the block and then we'll call it. Just to give you an idea what people that are coming to Route 66 are going to encounter, huh? There's usually a lot of people right here on the sidewalk. We're going to go ahead and turn south on this road. And go around the block, and then we're gonna call it, okay, guys? Just wanted to just do a ride here in the Warzone. I haven't been in here in a while, but it looks like there's a lot of people out. Never ending. And then we'll go west on Zuni. And get ready to see a lot of people, man, because there's always a lot of people right here in Zuni. Yep. On the sidewalk and the street. And then we'll head back to Central. Okay, guys, well, thank you for joining me on this little ride. I had a good time. I had to get out of for a little bit, so I'm not locked up in my house. But I thank you for joining me until the next one. We will see you. Thank you for the support. Bueno, bye.